We're gonna figure out these YouTube videos one day. If I don't freeze to death out here trying to figure it out. Anyway, you can probably tell I got like 4 layers of clothes or something. I ain't got no insulation up here yet. But we'll get to it one day, we ain't in no hurry. I do have insulation behind the white part of the wall over here, just not the actual ceiling itself. Here's my old Dodge Ram that I've been working on. I don't know if you call it restoring, but just fixing up little things it needs here and there. To be honest, it really didn't need a whole lot. Put these wheels on it. Lowered it a little, of course. Side pipe there. I think I got a MagnaFlow muffler under there. Makes it sound pretty good. They get me an Alpine radio, new speakers in there, sound deadening. Now we're working on this window motor here. Wasn't acting right. And the door lock mechanism. Actually, the little solenoid part in there that locks one side and locks the other. Anyway, just give you an overview. It's out here working. Trying to stay warm. Little side view of the old Dodge. This is the little Dodge, we call it. My other one, my orange one, it's a little bigger, being a 4-door and all. We'll get it on another video. Well, I was trying to fix these electric door locks where you lock one side and it locks the other side, or if you unlock this side, it'll unlock the other side. But these little solenoids, I'm not really sure what happened to this one. It's loose. It works in and out if you put power to it. Well, I think it worked out last time, it didn't work in. Anyway, the wire was burnt, soldered it back together, and now, I guess I need to do it, it won't go in, it goes out and not in. The other side goes in and out, although it's bent because I bent it. Trying to free it up, it was all rusty on the inside. Either way, in that process, I broke this off. We had to solder it back together, the end. Anyway, this one works. Got the end soldered back on. Now the other side don't work. When I took the door panel off, the door handle off, it moved and broke the little plastic clip on the inside. So now I gotta try to find one of them. Got to get on eBay. Last time I looked on eBay, they didn't have none of these. Not factory versions, but you can get like Chinese universal generic ones or whatever. Anyway, we'll try to figure that out. Okay, so we got this one, this broke. Broke off the back of here. I think you can see that. Got to buying some of them. Took it off because the window wouldn't go up and down right. It was kept sounded like it was jumping over a gear when it went down, but I took it apart and put it back together. Now it's working, so I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now. Guess I gotta go get on eBay and see what I can find there. So we'll go from there.